What is public relation? Public relations can be defined as the practice of managing communication between an organization and its public. There are many ways to make PR for a business. Some of the most effective ways of making a PR are as follows. Run a social media campaign. Writing and publishing blogs. Personal interactions like telephone conversations, emails, and messaging. Conducting social events. Press release on a practical budget. USP unique selling proposition. Run a social media campaign. A social media campaign is an activity that focuses on promoting a product or service at a given time and for a specific target audience. There are many social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. A business can push itself into the public showcasing its success or information about their products and their benefits, and much more. Every company has its business website to share the hyperlink of their website on their social media pages. Writing and publishing blogs. By writing and publishing blogs, businesses can reach their target audience by producing informative content. Blogs can indirectly divert user traffic with the help of SEO. Blogging can be an essential part of your PR strategy. Blogs help a business to narrate its business culture and its operations to create interest among the readers or its customers. Personal interactions like telephone conversations, emails, and messaging. Personal interactions with customers help a business to understand its customers more effectively. As they communicate directly, there is minimal distortion in the message of a customer. Telephone conversations are more useful as they can bring instant results for a business. Emailing is a cost-effective way of communicating with customers. Sending emails regarding product information, offers, and greetings for anniversaries is a great way to build PR for a business on a budget. Messaging is one of the effective ways by which one can build PR for a business. Messaging is used to communicate with bulk customers that helps save money and time for a business. Conducting social events. Press release on a practical budget. Get the venue decided early. Pre-booking of venue can reduce the cost incurred in planning a social event. When you plan for a product launch or press release, make sure that you make it on the date that you decided. Go digital and cut down printing cost. Make digital posters to inform about the events scheduled or press releases. Digital posters are less pricey compared to printing. Be creative. Being creative can save you much money in conducting an event. Allow volunteers to participate in your event in return. Provide them with a certificate of participation or compliment them with a small memento. Negotiate. Never hesitate to negotiate a price. When there is a chance to deal, do not miss the opportunity. Collaborations. Try to collaborate with other businesses to reduce costs or find partners for your events. Sponsors. Looking for sponsors is not a bad idea. Try to explain your business and what it is about to fellow entrepreneurs, so they might show some interest in sponsoring your event. Go live on social media platforms. Going live on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook is a no-cost method of communicating with the audience. These are the ways and strategies to build an effective PR on a budget. Budget is always a constraint, especially for startup companies, but if allocated in the right manner, a company would be able to design a PR strategy on a budget and have an effective way of reaching out to people. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.